So today we're going to talk about the importance of getting your drywall screws absolutely right in relation to the depth at which they're screwed in. If you see here, I'm just pushing this drywall here. The screws that have been put in have gone in way too far and it's just not holding the board properly. So you can see in that little image there, the one on the left has gone in way too far, the one on the right is perfect. So I'm just going to put some new screws in there right next to those ones just to hold it up properly before I tape in the ceilings. And I check all the screws all the time. You want to do this before you tape your drywall. So it's very important to get those right and not screw them in too far. You can see in this picture here, the one on the left there is way too deep. It's broken the face paper, which is how it holds the board up. The one on the right there is where it says awesome is perfect, so that's where you want it, just below the surface. You can see on the screw there it's got that ridge below the head and that grips the paper. So, and that's why it's very important to use drywall screws and not just normal timber screws, because the timber screws won't go into the board properly. So very important to use the right screws and to get them screwed in at the right depth. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.